Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So this is probably my most requested video, but I wanted to make sure I did the proper research before I shared what I know about allergies at Disney. Now, I have not spent my entire life with allergies. I was actually diagnosed about 10 years ago with the allergies that I have now. My biggest food allergy is gluten, and I have been gluten-free for about 7 years before it was cool. Now, I used to have an anaphylactic allergy to fish and seafood, but after I got pregnant with my daughter and after my pregnancy, it magically disappeared. My doctors have no idea why, but some sort of chemistry changed in my body, and that allergy is no longer one that I have. Now, that seafood and fish allergy was the one that I was diagnosed with about 10 years ago. The gluten allergy was not one that was figured out until about 7 years ago. And because of this, I have been navigating the Disney parks with food allergies for about 10 years. Now, one thing I've noticed is they have gotten better and better about food allergies. Disney is constantly changing their practices, trying to make things more adaptable and accommodate their guests. And they are by far the most thorough of any place I have ever been. Now, coming directly from Disney's website, by substituting different ingredients and approaches, Disney chefs, restaurants, and quick service restaurants can accommodate the following food allergies: gluten or wheat, eggs, fish, milk or lactose, peanuts and tree nuts, shellfish, soy, and corn. Now, guests with other food allergies that weren't listed and who have multiple allergies, which means more than 4, can also be accommodated. They actually have a website for you to contact, which I will list to the side right now. It is special.diets@disneyworld.com. Now, you want to make sure to book your dining reservations already and make sure to contact them at least 14 days prior to your arrival. Now, Disney will always assist you in helping you with your dietary needs. Now, make sure that you communicate your dietary restrictions both when you book your dining and as well when you get there to both the host and your waiter. You will have the opportunity to speak with a chef if you want to at any of the restaurants, and if you want to at quick service as well, but quick service has a specific menu that has the most common allergies listed. So when arriving at the quick service restaurant, you can actually ask the person at the kiosk taking your order for an allergy-friendly menu. And while Disney will do their best to accommodate you, they can't guarantee that they can meet all the requirements, so if you have any concerns, make sure to email them. This is not yet available for mobile online ordering, which is kind of a disappointment, but I have a feeling because it's a liability, they probably won't be offering it with mobile ordering. Now, some things to know. Be prepared to wait a little bit longer for your order because they make them to order and they make them specially for you. It usually takes an extra 10 or 15 minutes for a quick service restaurant. It also may take a little longer at a sit-down restaurant because they are also making it to order for you. Now, for buffets, many of the buffets actually already meet many of the common allergies. But if you're worried, you can always have the chef specially prepare something for you. Now, I highly recommend a breakfast buffet, and that is because you can have this specially made chocolate bread, donuts, other breads, and special treats, and Mickey waffles. Most of these come from the Mckenna bakery in Disney Springs. You can also bring your own food into the parks and restaurants. You just need to make sure to inform the cast member of the allergies in your party. However, I've never been questioned about bringing food in. Now, at the Disney hotels, the way they can accommodate you is they actually have small fridges in all of the rooms, which you can use. If you need an extra fridge, you can request one, and they are subject to availability. That is an option as well. Now, let's talk about some allergy-friendly restaurants and snack places at Disney World. Now, as I said before, Mckenna's bakery is a dedicated bakery that removes many of the common food allergies. This includes gluten, dairy, wheat, egg, and soy, and it's located at Disney Springs. Now, Sprinkles Cupcakes also has a gluten-free red velvet cupcake that is absolutely delicious. Raglan Road is another restaurant at Disney Springs that has an almost 100% gluten-free menu. Terra Treats in Animal Kingdom is a dedicated allergy-friendly snack kiosk. It also has many gluten-free beers and ciders if you're interested in adult beverages. So what are some of my favorite Disney allergy-friendly foods to eat while at Walt Disney World? The allergy-friendly chicken fingers happen to be my favorite thing to eat at the Walt Disney World property. They're available at many of the dining locations, including many of the hotels. They're unbelievably crispy, and I actually think they're better than regular chicken fingers. And the best thing about them is they are free from most of the common allergies. So they're friendly to just about everyone. The rice noodle macaroni and cheese, it is not dairy-free, but it is one of my favorites. The pizza at Pizza Rizzo. They make it themselves and it tastes like a fire-roasted flatbread. It is so good. The chicken pot pie and fried chicken from 50's Prime Time Cafe. Now note, the fried chicken does take some extra time, so it's something you definitely want to tell your waiter right away if you want it. The fish and chips and shepherd's pie from Raglan Road, they are both gluten-free. Everything from Tepanito. They have a gluten-free soy sauce, and they are super conscientious of allergies, and they will cook your food before they cook anyone else's. All of the special breakfast breads and donuts and Mickey waffles that you can get at the breakfast buffets. My favorite happens to be at the Crystal Palace. It is the only place that I have been able to get the donuts at. Ohana does a really great job too. And Tiffin's in Animal Kingdom, they have gluten-free churros. What? I hope this video helps you navigate Disney a little bit better with allergies. Just take your time, do your research, and make sure that you talk to the cast members and let them know. They really want you to have a good time, and so it's important that you are communicating your needs so that they can accommodate you. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this, make sure to hit that little subscribe button. And if you are already subscribed and a part of my Disney family, make sure to hit that notification bell so you know every time I put up a video. So was there anything I missed? If there was, please leave it in the comments below. We are all trying to help each other, and especially people with allergies, it can be really difficult, and Disney is amazing with allergies. So if you have any comments or recommendations, go ahead and leave them in the comments. And as always, I hope to make your trip just a little more magical. See you real soon. Bye guys.